In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler Aspen key fob. This key fob was used on Aspens between 2005 and 2009 and takes one CR2032 battery. It's very easy to change the battery yourself at home. You can pick one of these up online, and I've left a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then you can just follow along. Super easy. Just look right here, first step. Look right here for this little slot on the side of the key fob that we will use to put a flathead screwdriver in. Go ahead, hold it firmly, put it in there, and just twist. Just a little twist is all it takes to begin to open this up. And then I like to go down the side, just twisting until the whole thing comes free, and you just pull it apart with your fingers. Set that to the side. Remove this rubber carefully with the circuit board inside, and now we have access to the battery. All we're going to do is get under the battery coming in the side here and just lift. With very little effort, it comes out. Take a new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side it goes face down like that. Just click it into place. Very simple. Carefully push this back on. Just make sure it sits nicely in place, and then we can line this up. Click it back together, and we've done it. That's all it takes. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the internal batteries on key fobs from every make and model, go ahead and visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.